Come on, Myrtle. Let's go.
All right, everybody, Sylvia here. I am in Yuma, Arizona, kind of wandering around the RV park where I've checked in for 3 weeks. And I'm actually testing a rear wheel flat repair to make sure that it's holding. I actually repaired it hours ago and it's been sitting, my trike's been sitting out in front of the RV, and now I'm going to take it for a ride and actually see if it's going to hold. And it's been a very interesting day. I started off, I had a dental appointment for a teeth cleaning in Los Algodones, Mexico this morning. So my appointment was at 8:30 and I met with a dentist, Enrique Lopez, who did just a fantastic job cleaning my teeth. I went to a place called Simply Dental. I would totally go back there again. It was $35, very easy. I was in and out in no time. I actually left the RV park just before 8 o'clock this morning, and I was back by 9:30. Los Algodones is very close. It's about a 15-minute drive. There's parking right at the border, and it's has every kind of medical service, medical office you can imagine, but it's mostly known for dental services. Apparently there are over 300 dental offices. This is actually my third visit to Los Algodones. I went on Friday and I had lab work done. I have hypothyroidism, and so I need to check my blood levels to make sure that the medication is the right dosage. And at the same time, I did blood work for just a complete panel: cholesterol, red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, you know, the whole thing. I'm very, very healthy. Yesterday I went back and I met with a doctor, went over the results, got a prescription for my hypothyroidism. She discovered that I also had a small urinary tract infection, so she gave me a prescription for that. And then I went and I got my prescriptions filled, so I got everything I need for the next year. And when I returned yesterday, I went out on a trike ride. There's some beautiful trails right along the Colorado River. Some of them are paved, some of them are unpaved, and I actually ended up on a beach deep in the sand outside of an RV park that's right on the river. And when I got back to the unpaved path, I discovered I had a rear wheel flat. And clearly I had been riding on this flat tire for a while because I could actually see some marks on the rim. And when I took the tube out of the tire, it was all twisted around. It was, you know, folded over on itself. Oh my God, it was just a disaster. And I found 4 punctures and put patches on them, and it still didn't seal the tube. And I also discovered I have a Road Morph G tire pump, and at the beginning of this tour, I discovered that I've always used this pump. I love this pump, but I discovered it was missing, and so I bought a new one, and yesterday was the first time I was using this new pump. And when it comes from the factory, it comes ready for pressed valves. I use Schrader valves, so I had to switch around the innards in the pump head, and I could not get the pump I just couldn't get it seated right. And so without a pump, I was unable to finish the repair on, oh my God, this flat tire that was really, really something very dramatic. And so since I was outside of an RV park, which is not unusual here in Yuma, there are probably hundreds of RV parks and people with trucks. So it's very easy to find someone to give me a ride. And I found Tammy and Gordon, who were my trail angels yesterday. Very helpful, very friendly, and I was very grateful for their help to get Myrtle back to the RV park where I am staying. And so this morning, after my dental appointment, I set about fixing my tire and quickly got a new tube started fresh, but I was not able to find the source of the flat, and that always makes me very, very nervous. I always feel like whatever it was that caused the flat is waiting, hiding in the tire just to puncture my brand new tube. But I just couldn't find anything. And as I was putting the tire back on Myrtle, two guys came over and helped me. I had Ned and Bob, very, very helpful, and made it a lot of fun. And so I was able to get that fixed very, very quickly. And now I'm back at my site, and I'm gonna see if this repair is holding, especially since I couldn't find the cause of the flat. Yeah, this is great. Oh, I'm really relieved, because it's such a big deal with the roll-off on the rear hub, and then also I have electric assistance, so the trike is a lot heavier now, and it just makes it so hard for me to do this on my own. So that's really, really great. And now I'm ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm heading to Tucson. I'm actually going to leave my trailer here and going to take just the truck, put the trike in the truck and go to Tucson. I'm going to go stay with some friends, and I've been in touch with some recumbent people and trike riders, and I'm going to explore the trails and meet up with a lot of people there. So I'm pretty excited to head to Tucson and explore that area a little bit too. So yeah, so that's my update. Let me know what you think. You know how much I enjoy hearing from everybody. Leave a comment in the comment section below. And as always, thank you for watching.